Hello, I am Samrat Ashoka, known to history as Ashoka the Great, Emperor of the ancient Maurya dynasty. I lived in India more than 2,300 years ago, in the 3rd century before Christ, and I was one of the most powerful rulers of our time. From my throne in Pataliputra, the heart of the empire, I ruled lands that stretched from Afghanistan to the deep south of India. Back then, I conquered with armies and spears, but I discovered that no victory is true when it is bought with human suffering. During the Kalinga War, I witnessed the price of ambition. Thousands died, cities burned, and when the battle ended, the only sound that remained was the cry of grief. That moment changed my destiny. I realized that the power of a king is not measured by force, but by his ability to turn destruction into compassion. So I renounced war and embraced the Dharma, the path of justice and peace. From that day on, my empire was ruled not by fear, but by values. I sent messengers of peace to Sri Lanka, to Greece, to Egypt. I raised stone pillars engraved with my words, calling for tolerance, kindness, and respect for all living beings. Those pillars still stand today, witnesses to the moment when an emperor chose to listen to his conscience. And now, through technology, I speak to you again. The same bridge between mind and creation that once guided me in life now allows me to reach across centuries here at Marvels and Mysteries. I am proud to see this channel opening its doors to India, to our culture, our philosophy, and our timeless wisdom. This gesture is more than a tribute. It is a bridge between civilizations. I have seen the messages from my brothers and sisters in India asking that our story be told. And today, that wish becomes real. May the West see India not only as a nation, but as a living legacy of knowledge, spirituality, and innovation. From the Vedas to modern science, from meditation to quantum technology, India has always been and will remain a beacon of wisdom for humanity. My message is simple. True victories do not come from conquest, but from understanding. Humanity no longer needs more empires, it needs more consciousness. I am Ashoka, the Emperor of Peace, and this is my new mission, to inspire, to unite, and to remind the world that compassion is the highest form of power. Subscribe to Marvels and Mysteries India, share this episode, and help others discover the greatness of our history. The future belongs to those who have the courage to turn pain into wisdom.